Peanut butter blossoms are a cherished Christmas tradition in homes across the United States. These delightful cookies, with their soft peanut butter base and a bright Hershey's Kiss nestled on top, are a staple on holiday cookie platters. Their irresistible combination of flavors and textures makes them a favorite among children and adults alike. The aroma of freshly baked peanut butter blossoms wafting through the house is enough to evoke a sense of warmth and nostalgia, instantly transporting us to cherished Christmases past. There is something truly special about these cookies that captures the spirit of the holiday season. The history of peanut butter blossoms can be traced back to 1957, when a talented baker named Frida Smith entered her recipe in the Pillsbury Bake-Off contest. Her creation, originally called Peanut Blossoms, captured the hearts and taste buds of the judges, earning her a prize and securing a place for these cookies in culinary history. Little did Frida Smith know that her recipe would go on to become a Christmas classic, enjoyed by generations of families. The addition of the Hershey's Kiss, a stroke of genius, not only added a festive touch, but also created a delightful interplay of flavors and textures that has made these cookies so enduring. The beauty of peanut butter blossoms lies in their simplicity. With just a handful of pantry staples, you can create a batch of these festive treats that will impress your family and friends. The ingredients are as follows: 1 cup shortening, half a cup peanut butter, half a cup granulated sugar, half a cup packed brown sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, half a cup granulated sugar for rolling, and 48 milk chocolate Hershey's Kisses unwrapped. Instructions. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Cream together the shortening, peanut butter, and sugars until light and fluffy. Beat in the egg, milk, and vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Shape the dough into 1-inch balls. Roll each ball in the remaining granulated sugar and place them on ungreased baking sheets. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Remove the cookies from the oven and immediately press a Hershey's Kiss into the center of each cookie. Let the cookies cool completely on the baking sheets before serving. Section 4. Simple Joys, Festive Flavors. Peanut butter blossoms are more than just a delicious treat. They are a symbol of the simple joys and traditions that make the holiday season so special. The act of baking these cookies together as a family creates lasting memories and strengthens bonds. The aroma of peanut butter and sugar filling the kitchen, the laughter of children as they help to shape the dough, and the anticipation of biting into a warm, gooey cookie. These are the moments that make Christmas so magical. Section 5. A Symphony of Textures, the Allure of Peanut Butter Blossoms. One of the reasons why peanut butter blossoms are so universally loved is their delightful combination of textures. The cookie base is soft and chewy, with a slightly crisp edge. The granulated sugar coating adds a subtle crunch, while the Hershey's Kiss provides a burst of smooth, melted chocolate. This symphony of textures, combined with the harmonious blend of peanut butter and chocolate flavors, creates an irresistible treat that is both comforting and indulgent. Section 6. The Hershey's Kiss, a chocolatey crown. The Hershey's Kiss is more than just a decorative element on top of a peanut butter blossom. It is an integral part of what makes these cookies so special. The milk chocolate kiss, with its iconic shape and smooth, creamy texture, adds a touch of elegance and indulgence to these otherwise humble cookies. As the cookies bake, the heat from the oven gently melts the chocolate, creating a pool of gooey goodness that contrasts beautifully with the soft cookie base. The first bite into a peanut butter blossom, with its warm, melted chocolate center, is a moment of pure bliss. Section 7. Spreading holiday cheer, one cookie at a time. Peanut butter blossoms are more than just a cookie. They are a symbol of holiday cheer and a testament to the power of simple pleasures. Whether you're baking them for a cookie exchange, sharing them with loved ones, or simply enjoying them by the glow of the Christmas tree, these cookies are sure to bring a smile to your face. So this Christmas, embrace the warmth and joy of the season by baking a batch of these beloved cookies. Share them with your loved ones and savor the magic of the holidays, one delicious bite at a time.